10, 15 minutes. What's going on, my friends? Doing a little work on the van. The battery, as an update, is in Reno, Nevada. It got there Thursday. I'm guessing I'll hear from those guys either, what is today, Sunday? I forgot what day it was. Probably tomorrow or Tuesday. I'm sure sometime this week I'll hear from them. I don't know what their workload is on warranty stuff or just repairs in general. But I've been doing some painting today. I did a lot of painting on the bench. I think with the bench, I'm going to, damn, I hope it's not raining. I'm sorry. With the bench, I believe that I'm going to probably put a polyurethane on the top to seal that a little bit. It's going to be a lot easier. And let me button this up because it is starting to rain, my friends. I got done with this in perfect timing. It took me about an hour. I'm going to button this up. So like I say, I'm spare bedroom surfing at my dad's until the battery gets back to the van. But I did something different with the tray that my refrigerator goes into. And speaking of that, I've got to get that inside of the garage. I use Plastidip. I don't know if you know what Plastidip is. We use that for the inside of the cabinet. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I had to get that tray inside. It started to rain. Hurricane season, usually we get a lot of rain towards the end of it. We got about 4 more weeks of that. And God, let's hope we get through it without any hiccups. We've had enough of that this year. Anyway, what I did was, it looks like I painted it white, but if anybody knows what Plastidip is, it's a plastic coating. And I actually put it on the inside of the cabinet. And it'd be a lot easier to show you the cabinet here. When I did the back door of the cabinet for my water tanks, I did not want... We got to open this back up again, I'm sorry. I didn't want water going into the cabinets, causing issues on that deal. Sorry about the shaky camera. I didn't really prepare on having something for my camera here today, but anyway, when I open this door for my water cabinets, right down here, I'm going to turn the camera around, right down here, we did the Plastidip right along in here. It looks plastic. It's a surface that will keep water from going in, and we taped it, got it here and here, and it just feels like a rough paint, but it's actually people put it on cars. They Plastidip cars with it. It's really cool. It really works well with just coating, keeping your paint from scratching. But with vehicles, it's very thick. As I was saying, with cars, it's very thick. I mean, it's a different process with a lot more different type of sprayer. But same company does it. I've seen people Plastidip their whole van with whatever color they wanted. Another technique is to wrap it, where you can wrap it. And a lot of people with high-end cars like Ferraris do that stuff. But anyway, other than that, all is well. And getting a lot of music done here. That's been trying to end my year. I've been very busy. It seems like I've been quiet, but it hasn't not a lot has been going on with me. It's just been, like I say, spare bedroom surfing at my dad's until the van is situated. So we'll get that battery back, get everything back to rolling. And I would love to do some traveling. It's going to be probably spring of this next year, in the spring before that even happens to summer. But anyway, update on the battery, still in Reno, Nevada. And I'll keep you posted on that. And like I say, if anything cool comes along, I'll cut you in. Be cool. Thanks. Bye.